Good morning, everyone. Today I will study quadrilaterals. Topics to be discussed: introduction, types of quadrilateral, and properties of quadrilaterals. First of all, introduction. Quadrilateral is made from two words: quadra. Quadra means four, and latus means side. Means we can define it. It is 2D shape and a type of polygon that has four sides and four angles, and four vertices is called quadrilaterals. A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, A are sides of quadrilaterals. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D are the angles of the quadrilaterals. A, B, C, and D are vertices of quadrilaterals, and AB and CD or BC and AD are the opposite sides of quadrilaterals. Angle B and angle D or angle A and angle C are the opposite angles of quadrilaterals. AC and BD are the diagonals of the quadrilaterals. Now I will study properties, types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals: parallelogram, rectangle, a square, rhombus, trapezium, and kite. First of all, know properties of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, it has four sides. It is closed figure, and it is four sides polygon. It is 2D shape figure. It has four angles. It has four vertices. Sum of interior angle is 360. Means angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. And sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. Means this angle, exterior angles. This line extend and this line extend. This angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle, sum will be come. If you will add, it is called exterior angle, and its sum will be 360 degree. Okay, getting my points? Now I will discuss different types of quadrilaterals. Different types of quadrilateral. First of all, parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Means AB and CD are opposite sides equal. It will be equal and it will be parallel. AD and BC is also parallel and equal. Opposite angle are equal. Opposite angle means angle B and angle D are equal, or angle C, angle A are equal. Diagonal bisect each other means EA is equal to EC or DE is equal to EB. Diagonals bisect each other. Sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree or supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Then angle D plus angle A will be 180 degree. Sum of angle A plus angle D will be 180 degree, or angle D plus angle C will be 180 degree. Now come to rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides and equal means AD and BC are opposite sides. It will be equal and parallel. AB and CD are also equal and parallel. It is opposite sides. All interior angles are 90 degree. Means angle A, angle D, angle C, angle B all are at 90 degree. Its diagonals are equals. Means AC and BD are the diagonals which will be equal in. So its diagonal bisect each other, and BE is equal to EC is equal to ED is equal to EA will happen. Not we can say all rectangles are parallelogram, but all parallelograms are not rectangle. Means a rectangle is a special case of parallelogram. Now come to a square property. I will know a square property. All sides are equal means AD, DC, BC and BA all are equals in side. Opposite sides are parallel means BC and AD are parallel, BA and CD are parallel. All the interior angles means angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are 90 degree or right. Diagonal bisect perpendicularly each other means in it the angle AOD, angle DOC will be 90 degree. Understood? Now come to rhombus. Now come to rhombus. Rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are equal. Rhombus figure will be like this. A, B, C, D means its all angles will be not 90 degree, then called rhombus. All sides are equal in its, all sides will be equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal means angle C and angle A will be equal. Angle B and angle D will be equal. Sum of two adjacent angle will be 180 degree means angle A and angle D. If you will add them angle, then you will get 180 degree. Angle A and angle B when we will add, we will get 180 degree. Diagonals bisect perpendicularly to each other means diagonals bisect at 90 degree means we can say angle DOC, angle AOB, angle BOC, angle DOA all are 90 degree. Next then come to trapezium, or we can say from all squares are a special case of rhombus. All squares can be rhombus, but all rhombus cannot be a square. Now come to trapezium. Trapezium. One pair of trapezium properties, one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Here we can say AB and CD are parallel sides and one pair of sides are on non-parallel. Means here we can say AD and BC. AD and BC are non-parallel sides. Or next point we can say diagonals intersect each other means AC and BD intersect each other. Now come to next kite. One pair of adjacent sides equal means here we can say AB and BC are equal. AB and BC are equal, or AD and CD are equal. The larger diagonals of kite bisect the smallest diagonal means a smallest diagonal AC and biggest diagonal of kite BD. AC, so BD bisect the AC means OA is equal to OC. Only one pair of opposite angles is equal means only one pair of opposite angles is equal. In kite, angle BAD and angle BCD will be equal. Understood? Thank you.